How to fix Gmail not receiving email. First of all, head over to your application Gmail. Tap on this three horizontal line at the top left corner. Scroll down and head over to Settings. Select the Gmail account in which you are facing the issue. Scroll down to the bottom until you see the section of Data Uses. You need to make sure that you have enabled this option Sync Gmail. And you also have to enable this Dynamic Email. Once it is done, go back and head over to your settings. Move into Apps. Head over to the application Gmail. Tap on Storage and Cache. Right here you need to clear the cache and the storage of this application. Tap on Clear Cache and then Clear Storage. Click on OK. Clearing the cache and the storage will remove all the unwanted bugs from the application. Also, you need to make sure that your application Gmail is updated to the latest version. Once it is updated, you'll be good to go. So this is it for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to fix Gmail not receiving email. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.